The new Outlook for Windows is a modern email client that comes pre-installed on new Windows 11 devices running version 23H. Integrated Microsoft 365 apps. You can now access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps directly from within Outlook. Microsoft Word Web Apps. Click the word New, open the Word, click the blank document to create the new file. Create new documents. Start from scratch or use templates for resumes, letters, reports, etc. Edit existing documents. Upload Word documents from your device and edit them online. Basic formatting, apply fonts, styles, text alignment, and basic paragraph formatting. Collaboration. Share documents with others and work on them together in real time. Save and download. Save your work to OneDrive or download it back to your device. Microsoft Excel Web Apps. Create new spreadsheets. Start from scratch or use templates for budgets, invoices, financial trackers, etc. Edit existing spreadsheets. Upload Excel files from your device and work on them online. Basic formulas and functions. Use essential formulas and functions for calculations, data analysis, and logical operations. Formatting and charts. Apply basic formatting to cells, rows, and columns, and create simple charts and graphs. Collaboration. Share spreadsheets with others and work on them together in real time. Save and download. Save your work to OneDrive or download it back to your device. The Microsoft PowerPoint Web Apps. Create new presentations. Start from scratch or use templates for various purposes. Edit existing presentations. Upload PowerPoint files from your device and work on them online. Basic formatting. Apply themes, fonts, styles, text alignment, and basic object formatting. Add multimedia. Include images, videos, and audio to enhance your presentations. Collaboration. Share presentations with others and work on them together in real time. Save and download. Save your work to OneDrive or download it back to your device. The new Outlook is a redesigned and feature-rich email client aiming to replace the classic Mail app in Windows 11. It offers a clean interface, increased performance, and deeper integration with other Microsoft 365 apps.